Oh yeah, such a beautiful day. I think I'm gonna go catch some butterflies. Butterflies, here I come! Oh no, don't do this to me, no! 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 What am I gonna do? What am I gonna do? I can't get out. What am I gonna do? It's not good. Okay, come on. Think. Come on. Think. There's a way out of this. Think. I've got it. Dadgummit! Oh, 911? 911? Hello? Yes. I'm trapped inside my house. I don't know what to do. I don't know what to do. Isn't that crazy? What are you doing, Steve? What are you doing? I can't get out. I can't get out. Why? Why can't I get out? I'm so hungry. So thirsty. So tired. Yes! Civilization! Thank God! Where are you going? So close. So close.
Steven, what are you doing?
What?
Get up, what are you doing?
What? You've come to rescue me!
Rescue you? You live here. I've been here the whole time.
I'm starving for days.
Days?
Oh, the butterflies, and I couldn't get out. I was starving. I was so hungry. I was thirsty.
You couldn't get out because of the childproof door.
Thank you. You come to my rescue.
Oh, well, you do know
Thank
that
you.
There's two other doors out there, right?
Thank you for coming to my rescue.
There's two other doors and there's windows.
I was so hungry.
Well, we have food in the kitchen.
I was so hungry.
The fridge is fully stocked.
Oh, thank you. Thank you. I thought I was gonna die. For real. I thought I was gonna die.
It's only been a few minutes.
Thank you.